Mastering FMEA methodology. Organizations slam into crippling FMEA roadblocks, but only the bold overcome. What challenges and limitations do organizations typically encounter when implementing failure mode and defects analysis, FMEA, and what strategies can their teams employ to overcome these obstacles and achieve operational excellence? When implementing failure mode and defects analysis, FMEA, organizations often encounter several challenges and limitations that can hinder their ability to achieve operational excellence. Some of the common challenges and limitations include: 1. Lack of cross-functional teamwork. FMEA requires collaboration among various departments and functions, including design, manufacturing, quality, and supply chain. However, siloed organizations may struggle to bring these teams together, leading to incomplete or inaccurate analysis. Strategy: establish a dedicated FMEA team with representatives from each relevant function. Encourage open communication, define clear roles and responsibilities, and provide training on FMEA methodology and tools. 2. Insufficient data and information. FMEA relies on historical data, customer feedback, and industry benchmarks to identify potential failures. However, organizations may lack access to reliable data or struggle to collect and analyze it. Strategy: develop a data management system to collect and track relevant data. Conduct customer surveys and gather feedback to identify areas for improvement. Leverage industry benchmarks and best practices to supplement internal data. 3. Inadequate failure mode identification. FMEA teams may not identify all potential failure modes, especially those that are rare or unprecedented. This can lead to incomplete or ineffective risk assessments. Strategy: use tools like brainstorming, mind mapping, or SWOT analysis to generate a comprehensive list of potential failure modes. Encourage team members to think creatively and consider worst-case scenarios. 4. Overemphasis on severity rather than likelihood. FMEA teams may focus too much on high-severity failure modes and neglect those with higher likelihoods. This can result in inefficient resource allocation. Strategy: use a risk priority number, RPN, to evaluate each failure mode based on its severity, likelihood, and detectability. This helps teams prioritize efforts on the most critical failures. 5. Difficulty in quantifying and prioritizing actions. FMEA teams may struggle to translate risk assessments into actionable recommendations and prioritize them effectively. Strategy: use a process like the Plan Do Check Act (PDCA) cycle to develop and implement corrective actions. Assign clear responsibilities and timelines for each action item. Prioritize actions based on their potential impact on reducing risk and improving overall performance. 6. Resource constraints and competing priorities. FMEA implementation can be resource-intensive, and teams may face competing priorities that divert attention away from the FMEA process. Strategy: secure executive-level support and allocate dedicated resources for FMEA implementation. Establish clear goals, objectives, and timelines to maintain focus and momentum. 7. Lack of ongoing evaluation and updates. FMEA is often viewed as a one-time event rather than an ongoing process. This can lead to complacency and neglect of emerging risks. Strategy: establish a continuous improvement mindset and schedule regular FMEA reviews and updates. Encourage teams to share lessons learned and best practices from other projects. 8. Difficulty in integrating FMEA with other quality initiatives. FMEA may not be aligned with or integrated into existing quality management systems, leading to duplication of effort or conflicting priorities. Strategy: integrate FMEA into the organization's quality management system and other relevant initiatives, such as Six Sigma or Lean. Ensure that FMEA is aligned with overall business objectives and strategies. 9. Resistance to change and cultural barriers. FMEA may challenge traditional ways of working, and teams may resist changes to their processes or procedures. Strategy: communicate the benefits and value of FMEA to all stakeholders. Engage team members in the FMEA process and empower them to drive change. Recognize and reward efforts to improve processes and reduce risk. 10. Lack of standardization and consistency. FMEA may be applied inconsistently across different teams, departments, or locations, leading to varying levels of quality and risk. Strategy: develop standardized FMEA procedures, templates, and tools that can be applied across the organization. Provide training and guidance to ensure consistent application and interpretation of FMEA results. To overcome these challenges and limitations, organizations can employ various strategies, such as providing comprehensive training on FMEA methodology and tools, developing standardized procedures and templates, establishing clear roles and responsibilities, encouraging cross-functional collaboration and communication, fostering a culture of continuous improvement and learning, leveraging technology, such as FMEA software, to streamline data collection and analysis, recognizing and rewarding teams for their efforts to improve processes and reduce risk, integrating FMEA into existing quality management systems and other initiatives, conducting regular reviews and updates to ensure ongoing relevance and effectiveness. By recognizing these common challenges and limitations and employing strategies to overcome them, organizations can effectively implement FMEA and achieve operational excellence.